Hey Steven, this is Jessica for Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for taking my call today and requesting this free custom video. So today I'm just going to show you a few tips that you guys can apply right away so you can start getting more of those organic leads. So as you can see, we are on your website. Looks like you possibly have a different page for every single one of your services, which is perfect because you really need to have a different page for every service. Water damage restoration. So this is a good keyword that you're using, so that's good. Let's see. Do have just a little bit of content. Okay. Blogs are always good. Content is key. The more content on your website, the better. Google wants to see on your homepage a minimum of about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content going after those buyer intent keywords. So that breaks down to about 150 words for every keyword that you're trying to target. And it's very important that you follow the same strategy on all of your service pages. And since you are servicing more than just Los Angeles, and it looks like all of Orange County, you're going to need a separate service area page for every city in Orange County, in addition to Los Angeles, so that you're able to target the keywords in those areas and have Google put you in front of the customers in those areas in the case of emergency. Um, Being in an emergency business here, you don't have to work as much on conversions because they're having an emergency when they call you, and you're just going to go to their and do the service. But that also makes it even more important for you guys to be able to be found and for it to be very easy for those customers to contact you. Google does not rank you based on appearance. They have little robots called crawlers that go and index every single one of these pages, pulling your content and keywords so they can rank you for them and then put your customers in front of you when they have those emergencies. One of your top competitors in Los Angeles is Dry Masters. They do not have a great website. They do have separate pages for each of their services, but they also do not have the additional pages that are needed for the service areas. So both of you guys are missing out on several thousand possible volume every month to your website. Websites make up 70% of the total lead volume that you're going to get. So it's really important that you have your website optimized so that you can be found by those customers. They have probably about the same amount of content, so these guys should be super easy for you to beat. You just need more content. More content, work on those keyword strategies, and you'll have to work on the SEO as well. This is Ahrefs. It shows how your website is performing. As you can see, Google's given you a rating of a 0 for your website. And that's because of your backlinks or referring domains. You simply just don't have enough backlinks, and you don't have very good quality backlinks. So you need to have high quality, highly authoritative, relevant backlinks, and you need more than your competition. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you do need the good quality backlinks and many more than your competitors in every single one of your service areas. Because you don't have a whole lot of pages or content, you've only been indexed for 8 keywords, so you're getting 0 in traffic to your website. So you're missing out on quite a bit. Looking at your competitor, they also have a very low score, and they have over 450 backlinks, which Just goes to show that not all backlinks are created equal. These guys have a lot of poor quality backlinks that are either not relevant to their business, are spam, or are no-follow backlinks, so they're actually hurting their rank. But because they have additional pages and more content, they're able to be indexed for 125 keywords, and they're getting 150 people to their website every month. Now, what a backlink is when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is to your business and services, the more authority it's going to give you and the higher power and ranking. But they do need to be do follow backlinks, so they're actually sharing the power of these high ranking sites. And then you also need to make sure that you are tying your keywords to these backlinks so that you can be ranking for those keywords and so that your customers can find you. And then the last thing I want to talk to you about is the Google Maps section or Google My Business page. In order to be in the top, you want to be in the top 3 of this section because 30% of people come directly here and won't go any further. So if you're not in this section in each of your service areas for your keywords, then you're giving all those leads to your competitors. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there's many factors, but the biggest one is your citations, which is the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Instagram, Facebook, Yelp, Dex, Instagram, etc. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitors in each service area. And when you follow all of these tips that I've provided you today, your website can become #1 across Google in your service areas for your keywords and service keywords. You're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I provided you and apply it yourself, and that's completely okay, because this is just free education. I'm just asking you to give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you decide this is just too much work and you don't want to have to do it yourself, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.